Hey guys, this is Maggie here at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. We are in the middle of the first annual Great American Redneck Biker Bash, and I just had to take a moment to share this bike with you real quick. This is a super clean 2018 48 Special, which was the only year that they made this bike. Fun fact, the 2.2 gallon tank came out in 1948, which is where this bike gets its name from. There is a unique retro tank graphic in the color Wicked Red, which is a super bright kind of cranberry red color with a faded black detail on the tank. There's about $2,000 worth of added accessories, which include one bright ass LED headlight, some upgraded slip-on mufflers, back pegs, grips, and an upgraded shifter peg. To come see this bike and some others here at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson, go to nprharley.com, or you can always visit hdflorida.com to see all of our inventory. We look forward to seeing you.